कैसा है? ठीक है। जलाधमानोवा कुंज गोपी जनवल्लभा गिरिवरधारी यशोदानंदना व्रज जनरंजना यशोदानंदना व्रज जनरंजना यमुना तीरा वनचारी जयो राधा माधोवा कुंज विहारी गोपी जनवल्लभा गिरिवरधारी यशोदानंदना व्रज जनरंजना यशोदानंदना व्रज जनरंजना यमुना तीरा वनचारी जयो राधा माधोवा कुंज विहारी गोपी जनवल्लभा गिरिवरधारी यशोदानंदना व्रज जनरंजना यशोदानंदना व्रज जनरंजना यमुना तीरा वनचारी जयो राधा माधोवा कुंज विहारी ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय
ओम भगवते वासुदेवाय
भगवते वासुदेवाय
नारायणं नमस्कृत्य
नमस्कृत्य
दैवानरोत्तमं
नरं चैव नरोत्तमं
देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरये प्रायेषु भद्रेषु भागवत सेवया
नित्यं भागवत सेवया
भगवती उत्तमा भगवती नैष्टिकी
भक्ति नैष्टिकी
भगवती नैष्टिकी
मया निरूपितस्तोभ्याम्
मया
निरूपितस्तुभ्यं
मतिरात्मा समाधिना
पतिरात्मा समाधिना
समाधिना
नाभिनन्दति लोको अयम्
नाभिनन्दति लोकोऽयं
त्वामभद्राम् असम्मताम्
वामभद्रामसम्मतं
मया निरूपितस्तोभ्यम्
मया
मया निरूपितस्तुभ्यं
मतिरात्मा समाधिना
समाधिना
नाभिनन्दति लोको अयम्
नाभिनन्दति लोकोऽयं
त्वामभद्रम् असम्मताम्
वामभद्रामसम्मतं
मया निरूपितस्तोभ्यम्
मया निरूपितस्तुभ्यं
मतिरात्मा समाधिना
शरीरात्मा समाधिना
नाभिनन्दति लोको अयम्
नाभिनन्दति लोकोऽयं
वामभद्रम् असम्मताम्
वामभद्रामसम्मतं
मया निरूपितस्तुभ्यं
मया निरूपितस्तुभ्यं
पतिरात्मा समाधिना
पतिरात्मा समाधिना
नाभिनन्दति लोकोऽयं
नाभिनन्दति लोकोऽयं
तम् अभद्रामसामतम्
त्वम् अभद्रम् असम्मतम् मया निरूपितस्तुभ्यं
मया निरूपितस्तुभ्यं
पतिरात्मा समाधिना
पतिरात्मा समाधिना
नाभिनन्दति लोकोऽयं
नाभिनन्दति लोकोऽयं
त्वम् अभद्रम् असम्मतम्
त्वम् अभद्रामसम्मतम्
मया निरूपितस्तुभ्यं पतिरात्मा समाधिना नाभिनन्दति लोकोऽयं त्वम् अभद्रम् असम्मतम्
मया by me nirupitaha settled tobhyam for you patihi husband atma of the mind samadhina by meditation na never abhinandati welcome lokaha the people ayam these tvam you abhadram inauspicious asammatam unacceptable. King of the Yavanas replied, after much consideration I have arrived at a husband for you. Actually, as far as everyone is concerned, you are inauspicious and mischievous and no one likes you. How can anyone accept you as his wife? Yes, Mother.
Hare Krishna Prabhupada. Purport by Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada ki jai. After much consideration, the king of Yavanas decided to make the best use of a bad bargain. Kala Kanya was a bad bargain and no one liked her, but everything can be used for the service of the Lord. Thus, the king of the Yavanas tried to utilize her for some purpose. The purpose has already been explained. That is, Kala Kanya as Jara, the invalidity of old age, can be used to arouse a sense of fear in people so that they will prepare for the next life by engaging in Krishna consciousness.
Tamavyakta gatirбhongshva lokam karma vinirmitam
लोकं कर्म
yahi me pritana yukta Prajanasham praneshasi.
प्रजानाशं प्रणश्यसि
Word is the product of fruitive activity. Therefore, you may imperceptibly attack people in general. Helped by my soldiers, you can kill them without opposition.
Purport. The word karma vinirmitam means manufactured by fruitive activities. This entire material world, especially in these days, is the result of fruitive activities. Everyone is engaged fully in decorating the world with highways, motor cars, electricity, skyscrapers, industries, businesses, etc. All this appears very nice for those who are simply engaged in sense gratification and who are ignorant of spiritual identity. As described in Srimad Bhagavatam 5.5.4, नूनं प्रमत्तः कुरुते विकर्मा यत् इन्द्रिया प्रीतिया आप्नुनोति न साधु मन्येयत आत्मनो अयम् हसन् अपि क्लेशदा आसदेहः. Those who without knowledge of the spirit soul are mad after materialistic activities and they perform all kinds of sinful activities simply for sense gratification. According to the Rishabhadeva, such activities are inauspicious because they force one to accept an abominable body in the next life. Everyone can experience that although we try to keep the body in a comfortable position, it is always giving pain and is subjected to the threefold miseries. Otherwise, why there are so many hospitals, welfare boards, and insurance establishments? Actually, in this world, there is no happiness. People are simply engaged trying to counteract unhappiness. Foolish people accept unhappiness as happiness. Therefore, the king of the Yavanas decided to attack such foolish people imperceptibly by old age, disease, and ultimately death. Of course, after death there must be birth. Therefore, Yavana Raja thought that it is wise to kill all the karmis through the agency of Kalakanya and thus tried to make them aware that materialistic advancement is not actually advancement. Every living entity is a spiritual being, and consequently, without spiritual advancement, the human form of life is ruined.
We'll just do one more shloka so we complete this chapter. Prajvaro ayam mama bhrata
प्रज्वालोऽयं मन्दाता
bhagini bhava
संसमे भगनी भव
charami ubham hayam loke asmin
जराम्यां लोकेऽस्मिन्
avyakto bhima sainikaya avyakto bhima sainikaha.
अव्यक्तो
The king of
भीमसेनः
Yavanas continued, here is my brother Prajvara. I now accept you as my sister. I shall employ both of you as well as my dangerous soldiers to act imperceptibly within this world.
Purport. Kalakanya was sent by Narada Muni to Yavana Raja so that she might become his wife, but instead of accepting her as his wife, Yavana Raja accepted her as his sister. Those who do not follow the Vedic principles are unrestricted as far as sex life is concerned. Consequently, they sometimes do not hesitate to have sex with their sisters. In this age of Kali, there are many instances of such incest. Although Yavana Raja accepted the request of Narada Muni to show respect to him, he was nonetheless thinking of illicit sex. This was due to his being the king of Yavanas and Mlechas. The word Prachvaraha is very significant, for it means the fever sent by Lord Vishnu. Such a fever is always set at 107 degrees, the temperature at which a man dies. Thus, the king of the Mlechas and Yavanas requested the daughter of time, Kalakanya, to become his sister. There was no need to ask her to become his wife, for the Yavanas and Mlechas do not make any distinctions as far as sex life is concerned. Thus, one may outwardly be a sister, mother, or daughter and still have sex. Yavana Raja's brother was Prajvara, and Kalakanya was invalidity itself. Combined and strengthened by the soldiers of Yavana Raja, namely non-hygienic conditions, illicit sex, and ultimately high degree of temperature to bring on death, they would be able to smash the materialistic way of life. In this connection, it is significant that Narada was immune to the attack of Jara or invalidity. Every Jara or the destructive force cannot attack any follower of Narada Muni or another pure Vaishnava.
Om Jnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurumilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prashnaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swaminiti Namine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Vidusheshaya Shunyavadi Pashad Deshatarine Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasati Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Prajvaravayam Mama Bhrata
तद्वारवयं मम
Chame
भ्राता
Bhagini Bhava
त्वं च मे भगनि भव
Charami Ubhabhayam Loke Asmin
भयां लोके अस्मिन्
Avyakto Bhima Sainikaha.
अव्यक्तो
The king of the
भीमसेनः
Yavanas continued, here is my brother Prajvara. I now accept you as my sister. I shall employ both of you as well as my dangerous soldiers to act imperceptibly within this world. Hare Krishna. So various things here. Now something is very interesting in the previous shloka, the 3 shlokas there. It talks about fruitive activities. Srila Prabhupada uses his word. Karma vinirmitam. Karma vinirmitam. Manufactured by fruitive activities. So, somebody asked Srila Prabhupada, why did Krishna create this world? Why did Krishna send me to this world? So Srila Prabhupada said, हिंदी इंग्लिश ज़्यादा कन्वीनियंट हिंदी रहता है, ठीक है, मिक्स करते हैं। प्रभु जी को हिंदी आता है? थोड़ा थोड़ा एक ही। So Prabhupada says, forced, Krishna, you force Krishna. I said, why did Krishna send me to this world? You force Krishna to send you to this world. Krishna ji बोल रहे नहीं जाओ, but we force, नहीं जाएगा. Yeah. So we have come to this world as if Krishna is happily sanctioned. No, with great pain he let us go. And here we are trying to be happy by doing everything except devotion service. And therefore the parodharma, which we say is the actual dharma, pure transcendental religion, is contaminated by fruitive activities. And therefore it becomes cheating religion. You can now analyze what are the varieties of Kaitava dharma. Anybody knows the list? शुद्ध धर्म तो भगवान का सेवा करना सच्चे दिल से, लेकिन उसको मिश्रित होके 6 तरह के धर्म बन जाते हैं। शुद्ध धर्म और 5 नौटंकी। भागवत में है ना, धर्म प्रोजित कैतव, भागवतम से धर्म प्रोजित कैतव. So the pure religion is contaminated and becomes something खिचड़ी. ये खिचड़ी 6 तरह की है. एक शुद्ध खिचड़ी है, 5 गड़बड़. What are the different varieties? What is one of them is called?
उपधर्म है.
Let us start. No, let us start. Don't start with Upadharma. That is for one, Vidharma. Vidharma means in the name of religion, Because everybody likes to be very religious. That's what I'm seeing. The government of India started IKS. When I visit colleges, some professor, whatever he may be, he's not on the platform pure devotion service, may not be Vidharma, but whatever they think, believe, everybody in India has some idea of spirituality. They are teaching some nonsense. So Vidharma means I am sanctifying spiritual, sinful activities. विधर्म मतलब पाप कर्मों को धर्म के नाम से चल रहा है. Like there is one person, lot of people are impressed. They hear his lectures even now, Osho, correct? He openly said, you do free sex, then you will come out of sin. Huh? You are recommending sinful activity in the name of religion. He became extremely popular. He had hundreds of cars, Rolls Royce. To purchase one is not possible. Practically he had the whole fleet. Because you tell people you are drinking, it is good. There will be crore people outside. It is divine. So that is the level of shamelessness. Normal आदमी को तो शर्म तो आती है ना. Suppose you normal man, you eat, you say you are having illicit sex. क्यों कर? I'm very sorry, I'll come out. गलत है. But you tell him this is divine, वो तो नाचेगा, है ना? बेशरम हो के नाचेगा, उसको शर्म नहीं है. Ah, this is great. Then there may be some people, okay, Chala Dharma. Let us come from Vidharma to Chala Dharma. That's also contamination. How do you analyze that? Because Vedas only speaking about pure devotional service, or Bhagavatam at least you take. Real Dharma is Bhagavad Dharma. Savai Pumsa Paro Dharma. Paro Dharma. But here there is contamination. You are cheating people. Instead of pure devotion, you are saying, Shastra is saying something else. You are cheating. Correct? Chala you are doing. You are God. Chala, you are cheating. This is another sense gratification. Now, when you go to Srila Prabhupada, you read his books. One devotee said very nicely, people spend money. Bhagavad Gita lena hai, 350 rupees dena padega. You have to pay 350 rupees, you purchase Gita. And then one day you will think like a hero. Let me see what is it. क्या है इसमें देखेगा मैं ठीक है ना so you will see and then what you will see what is there in it and Prabhupada's first word will be rascal, dull-headed. He gets shocked because he is in a hero situation. Prabhupada is not honoring that hero situation. Srila Prabhupada said, I've had so many enemies because all these people, Vidharma, Chalabhadharma, Dharma, Bhas, all these varieties of people, I objected to it. So they don't like him. Go to somebody and tell him, are you in Mangalore? Mangalore, everybody eats fish and everybody drinks. Almost. Not everybody. करीब करीब सभी लोग. अब आप किसी के घर में जाओ, ये पाप क्यों कर रहा है? वो आपको मानने है. वो नहीं स्वीकार करता मैं पाप कर रहा है. He will not agree. Will he agree? He will not agree. You tell him to give bhashan on spirituality, IKS, he will take 5 hours class. और बेशरम होके मछली खा रहा है, दारू पी रहा है, तू क्या बोल रहा है? चुप होना. नहीं, शर्म नहीं. Shameless. This fruitive activity is such a thing that makes us shameless. Devotee means actually Prabhupada said, even if he has a desire for sense gratification, he feels ashamed. That day we are starting to become a devotee. और इधर पाप कर रहा हो शर्म नहीं है. See, anybody इधर पाप करता तो शर्म तो आता है ना. मैं क्या कह रहा है? If you see Krishna, you see the Acharya, you will cry, please forgive me, what am I? Amara Jivan, what is my life? है ना? हरी हरी विफल जन्मा गवाएं. At least उसको लगेगा ना मैं अपना जिंदगी बर्बाद कर रहा है. अपने पे शर्म लगेगा ना, क्या कर रहा है, then actually person become humble. Humility comes from reality. नहीं, बहुत लोग हैं humble होने का, and they are very actually superficially humble. That humility is also pride. वो नाटक है, and they are also very proud. I am very humble. है ना? That is also ahankara. No, that is not the point. Our point is that as a devotee who want to achieve Parodharma, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, Ha hanta hanta vishvakshanama sadhu niskinchanasya. Yeah, who knows the shloka? निष्किंचनस्य, भाई श्लोका याद करो, याद करो. यस,
निष्किञ्चनस्य भगवद्भजनोन्मुखस्य पारं परं जीवमिशोद्भवसागरस्य तन्दर्शनं विषयिणामतयोषितां च आहन्त हन्त विषभक्षणतो अप्यसाधु.
was so nice. Mataji, you can see video. Who is this person? There's so many Radhikas we have in our association. I don't know which Radhika. Chalo. Anyway, thank you. So, Niskincanasya Bhagwan Bhajan Mukha. You want to grow across the lotus, the material world, and want to reach the lotus feet of the Lord. आप ये दुनिया छोड़ के भगवत धाम जाना चाहते हो, है ना? पारम परम जिज्ञासुर भवसागर, ये भवसागर को क्रॉस करना है. And I want to reach Krishna's lotus feet, है ना? देखो ये क्लास एक्चुअली मैं बता रहा हूँ ना, सच अपने लिए लेता हूँ, दूसरों को नहीं ले लेते. किसी को नहीं सोचना मैं मेरे लिए बोल रहा हूँ, मैं अपने लिए लेता हूँ सारी क्लास. और क्लास लेके सोचता हूँ कि आज का दिन तो अच्छा हो गया, शायद भक्त बनूंगा. Then again next day, हाँ. Anyway, that's another shamelessness. But ठीक है, लेकिन बोल रहा हूँ, I am speaking for my own self. I am not speaking it this way. Okay. So it is says that you say you want to do all this, you want to go to the Lord, भगवत धाम जाना है मेरे को, लेकिन क्या कर रहे हो? दूसरे की बड़ी गाड़ी देख लो, and opposite sex के features देख लो, सुंदर हाथ, सुंदर गला, सुंदर मुंह, नाक, ये देख लो, है ना? So what you should do? चैतन्य महाप्रभु इसका जहर पी लो, बेटर रहेगा. हाँ, हंत वंत विचक्षणा साधु, हम तो हर क्षण जहर ही पीते जाएंगे फिर, है ना? बट स्टैंडर्ड ये है, मतलब कितनी शर्म लग रही है उसको कि उसको बुरा भी नहीं लगता जहर पीने, कोई खुशी से कोई कुछ नहीं करता, है ना? मतलब इतनी शर्म लग रही है. अच्छा, क्या जीवन है मतलब even a thought of sense enjoyment, person is ready to drink poison, है ना? खाली थॉट है ना, खाली आपने बड़ा गाड़ी देखा किसी का, खाली आपने एक सुंदर स्त्री को देखा, सुंदर स्त्री के लिए अच्छा हैंडसम पुरुष को देखा, जहर पियो. हाँ, मतलब एटलीस्ट चलो जहर तो नहीं पीते, शर्म तो आनी चाहिए ना. अपने को हम भक्त बोलते हैं, कर क्या रहे हैं, है ना? बट यू कैन नॉट डू दैट व्हेन यू आर इंटॉक्सिकेटेड बाय सेंस. एक्चुअली इट शुड बी लाइक दैट. शर्म आना चाहिए, आंसू गिरना चाहिए, क्या मेरा हालत है, मैं कर क्या रहा हूं? वाई इट इज रॉन्ग? बिकॉज दिस विल नॉट मेक अप हैप्पी. सी वाई फ्रूटिव एक्टिविटी इज रॉन्ग एट द एंड ऑफ द डे? Because fruitive activities will not make us happy. It is cheating. Kaitava dharma. It is cheating. मैं मूर्ख बन रहा हूं, इससे मैं खुश नहीं होने वाला. मैं विधर्म से कोई खुश नहीं होता, है ना? छल धर्म से कोई खुश नहीं होता. ना तुम खुश होगे ना दूसरा खुश होगा, and both of you go to hell. Suppose you become a guru and tell people do sinful activity, that is also God. What will happen? He'll go to hell. You'll also go with him. You tell somebody to chala dharma. You say that, nahin, Shastra says you can enjoy the senses. You are chala, you are cheating. Shastra doesn't say all that. Correct? Chala. You are saying you are God. Shastra doesn't say that. है ना? बोलते तू भगवान है ना, शास्त्र नहीं बोलता ऐसा. तू बेवकूफ बना रहे हो, वो भी नरक जाएगा, तुम भी नरक जाओगे. बिकॉज Shri Shri Radha Govinda ki. What is the shloka in Bhagavad Gita for that? It says the people who say avajanati mamudha manushim tanumashritam param bhavam ajananto mama bhuta maheshwaram. Right? Avajanti mamudha. Fools do not know when I come to this world. Param bhavam ajananto. They don't know my superior nature. Mogasha moga karmanam moga jnana vicheta saha rakshasim asurim cheva prakritim mohaninshitaha. Mogasha, their everything is defeated. Their activities are defeated, their knowledge is defeated. They're totally ensnared by material world. So sense enjoyment is not leaving us even in so-called spiritual life. You see that so many yogis doing big tapasya, but desire to enjoy sense, indriya wo ki lalsa hai. He has a desire to enjoy the senses. And he's doing tapasya. So what he does? If he gets some siddhis, he tries to impress people with that. And people say he's God. थोड़ा राग फेंक दो. जैसे कैमरा में दिखाते हैं अंदर राग को टैबलेट दबा रहा था. But even if Siddhi is there, you have seen some videos, they show all these rag throwers, as throwers actually have a tablet in their hand. And ऐसे करके करते हैं तो dust निकलता है. There some people have done investigation. Even if it is, you can throw some ash, you can throw some shriveling from your mouth. So what happens? These are all yogis, even if it is true. But at the end is, he is God. That is another kind of sense gratification. And we should also be very careful in that. We are representing Prabhupada and we are just repeating Prabhupada's words. Actually, हमको तो कोई दर्शन है नहीं. बड़ा चीज बोल देते हैं, खुद तो फॉलो हम ही खुद ही नहीं कर रहे, है ना? We should not get proud. Oh, I gave big. So क्या कर रहे हो? We're also doing nothing. Just repeating some words of Prabhupada without any realization. What is the credit in that? Okay, so what we are seeing is sense gratification is everywhere. Even as a teacher, there can be a sense gratification. Just like just tell somebody, do this service, do this service, do this service, do this service. All the services should be done equally enthusiastically. Unless some bodily defect is there or age is there, it doesn't allow you. We should do all services are equal. Somebody is cleaning the temple, somebody is decorating it is equal. True? Somebody is cooking in the kitchen, somebody is taking class, it is equal. All services are equal. सब बराबर होती है service. But then all services have some sense gratification. When you are going collecting funds, you think I am maintaining the temple. इंद्रिय भोग होता है ना, मैं फंड्स लेके आ रहा है, मंदिर उससे मैं मंदिर को चला रहा है, देयर इज सेंस ग्रेटिफिकेशन. मेरे पास कुछ फैसिलिटी भी होगा, आई विल हैव अ कार टू गो, आई विल हैव एन असिस्टेंट टू होल्ड माय थिंग. Every service, if it is done properly, just like Lord Rama's example, he was becoming the king one day, and next day what happened? He went to Vanvas. Was there any difference in him? No. He was doing both a service. Father said, you be the king, he was ready. Father said, go to the forest, he was ready. That's an extreme example. But our condition वैसा नहीं है. हम साथ में देखते हैं क्या क्या perks मिल रहे हैं, है ना? So what are privileges we getting? So we are taking class, सब लोग मुंडी हिलाते हैं, correct. That is another sense gratification, है ना? Janam, dhanam, sundari, all the three are sense gratification. Shuddha bhakti has to be free from that. Therefore Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, na dhanam na janam na sundarim kavitama jagatish kamaye mama janmani shwari bhavatat bhakti hetu kitvai. To have birth after birth, devotion to you, Shuddha bhakti, I have to be free from three sense gratification. You want to have Shuddha Bhakti. You have to be free from, Russia में translate हो रहा है. So I have to be free from 3 kinds of sense gratification. What is that? Dhanam. Dhanam is the sense gratification or not? Correct? Some satisfaction in having some money with. What is that? It is going to go one day. अब मरने वाले हैं, अभी जाएगा, क्या करेंगे उसको? धनम बांध के ले जाओगे क्या? धनम, हाँ? पिरामिड बनेगा, बड़ा समाधि बनाएंगे अपनी, है ना? बड़े बड़े लोग जाके फूल रखेंगे उधर. धनम, बड़ा पिरामिड बनाएंगे बोल रहे हैं प्रभु जी. छोटा समाधि नहीं, पिरामिड. पूरी दुनिया आएगी उधर देखने के लिए, है ना? इजिप्ट में भी है, पिरामिड बना दिया. वो एक कब्रिस्तान, वो ताजमहल बना दिया, है ना? पूरी दुनिया जाती है उसको देख. पैसा है तो करो सब. धनम. Then janam, what you will do with janam? It's another sense gratification. I have followers who listens to me. Actually, when somebody is holding you like that, you don't want to be a follower, you want to run away. You know? Ownership when somebody has on you, you like to run away. Because spiritual world is free. Krishna is dancing and he is not dependent. Radharani dances with him, then there is happiness. He is not forcing her to dance. There is no ownership. Correct? Therefore, Parikya Rasa is sweeter than Swakya Rasa. Because in Parikya Rasa there is no ownership. But don't imitate, and that is for the spiritual world. Material world, that will become sinful activity. So, when Radharani is dancing, Krishna is not forcing her to dance. She is dancing by her own choice. True? She is dancing by her own choice. And Krishna is feeling happy and she is also feeling very happy. Right? Because Krishna is very happy. So the spiritual world is free. Is there any ownership? जब शुकदेव गोस्वामी क्लास ले रहे हैं, परीक्षित महाराज, any ownership is there? ए बैठ, तू मेरा शिष्य, बैठ इधर. He just came in, he accepted. It's free world. People talk about freedom. Where there is freedom in the material world? They talk about freedom where there is freedom. Correct? It has to be voluntary. Therefore, suppose our behavior is not up to the standard, then we expect people to listen to us. Why? They will not feel like listening to you. True or not? True. Some discipline is done in the material world. Some rules and regulations are put. But it's just like in a temple, everybody should attend a class, मंदिर में, है ना? क्लास अटेंड करना पड़ेगा. बट अगर आर्टिफिशियल है, वो चलेगा नहीं कुछ टाइम बाद, ब्रेक अपार्ट हो जाए, है ना? सपोज ये वो गुरु and he was doing sinful activity, कुछ टाइम तक तो फॉलो करोगे, उसके बाद you will say, I will go from here. घुटन होगा. Why should I respect somebody who is actually not qualified? है ना? So janam can be another kind of sense gratification. Therefore, why does Chaitanya Mahaprabhu say, na dhanam, na janam? Why he says na janam? Dhanam is easy to give, people don't give janam. We have seen some people, some reason, they become disgusted, they leave and go away from our platform. They take their disciples also. So-called unfortunate disciples they take, run away. No, they want to listen to my class. ऐसा नहीं है. जन्म हृदय में नहीं छोड़ूंगा, मेरा प्राण है ये लोग. अरे क्या तेरा प्राण? Look at your own life, look at your own behavior, what you can inspire them. But no, मेरा प्राण. धनम, जन्म, है ना? People can't leave. It's voluntary. End of the day, it's voluntary. And actually, online is very nice platform. It is totally voluntary. Certainly, कोई class में नहीं आ रहा. Can you force them? They are. In fact, it happened in Bangalore. The temple ऋत्विक बन गया. अब हम लोग सब ब्रह्मचारी लोग, हम कहाँ जाएंगे? हमको तो भी अपना रहने का व्यवस्था नहीं है, खाने का व्यवस्था है. हमको सोचना पड़ा. कुछ टाइम लगा हमको. ये क्या इसमें है क्या? Because we are dependent on the president. है ना? वो हमको मेंटेन कर. गृहस्थ लोग तो अगले दिन पूरा का पूरा 1000 गृहस्थ stop coming to the temple because they are not dependent. They are having their own job, their business. They don't have to come. They are not obliged. Interesting. Okay? Na dhanam, na janam, na sundarim. So dhana is sense gratification. Agreed? As a dhana is not sense gratification. But dhana can become Sanskarification. Therefore, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, na dhanam. The desire, fruitive activities means I want to enjoy money. Fruitive activities means I want to enjoy followers. I have so many followers, है ना? आप चल रहे हो. See, just imagine as devotees how much we have to reform. Actually, अगर हम अपने हृदय में देख रहे हैं, if we are seeing within our heart, we know what we are. तो कहीं पे जाएंगे in an assembly of wonderful Vaishnavas, what we should expect? सब चप्पल निकाल के मारेंगे, and we should not protest. When Haridas Thakur was beaten in 22 marketplaces, he did not protest. मेरे को मारते, पता है कितना माला जप करता हूं मैं, पता है, एक हफ्ते में उतना नहीं जप कर सकता है. चैतन्य महाप्रभु मेरे को नामाचार्य बोले, हम लोग ऐसे बिहेव करते नहीं करते? आई एम नामाचार्य, तेरी हिम्मत डंडा मारने की. बट व्हाट वाज हरिदास ठाकुर फीलिंग? आई डिजर्व मोर. दिस इज नथिंग. हरिदास ठाकुर आर सेइंग आई डिजर्व मोर. दिस इज नथिंग. ये क्या है भाई, एक दो डंडे और मारो. आई डिजर्व मोर. एक्चुअली डिवोशन फील. अभी क्या होता है, बहुत टाइम होता है, कोई बोल दे मूर्ख हो क्या, तो आंसू आ जाते हैं. आते हैं ना, आते है ना, होता नहीं होता. या तो गाली देते हैं, गाली नहीं दे तो हम लोग विक्टिम बन जाते हैं, रोने लग जाते हैं. ऐसा बोल दिया, और 2-3 लोगों को पकड़ के रोते हैं, फिर उसको भी रुलाते हैं. बेवकूफ, अपनी बेवकूफी दूसरा बेवकूफ. Actually, a devotee is not like that. If you scold a devotee who is actually humble, thank you bro, thank you, है ना, क्या होता है, खुशी होती है. Because I am not able to scold myself, you scolded, thank you very much. This idiot mind, I am not able to scold. You are helping me actually. थोड़ा और बोलो. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, आनंद आ रहा है, अमृत की तरह. When you become actually humble and somebody is scolding you, that scolding becomes like amrit. Like Srila Prabhupada, sometimes he used to scold the disciples. I told you the joke when I joined the temple, so they put Prabhupada tape. You know, many temples have that. Once or twice a week, हफ्ते में 1 या 2 दिन Prabhupada का tape चलता है, देखा ना? So then, when that was happening, I was sitting in the class and Prabhupada saying, rascal. So इधर उधर देख रहा था, किसको बोल रहे हैं पता नहीं, शायद इसको बोल रहे होंगे, शायद इसको बोल रहे होंगे. फिर अपना तो कोड कोई देखता ही नहीं है, शायद इसको बोल रहे होंगे rascal. But somebody told actually we should accept it is for us, है ना? But when you hear Prabhupada class with proper consciousness, and Prabhupada many times scolding, that is his privilege. Acharya has a privilege. So at that time, actually feel nectar. है ना? लगता ना अमृत की तरह. सच ही बोल रहे हैं. रास्कल. कृष्ण के पैर छोड़ के दुनिया भटक रहा हूँ. रास्कल तो हूँ मैं, है ना? बुद्धू हूँ मैं. So person hears with great pleasure. Na dhanam, na janam. So we should not have all this desire. Na janam. We just think, Shukdev Goswami speaking, does he calculating? 4,335 लोग बैठे थे मेरी क्लास में, समथिंग लाइक द 1000 लोग बैठे थे ना, है ना? हम भी क्लास लेते हैं, पहले कितने लोग, बहुत लोग यहाँ, सब ताली बजाएंगे, है ना? ये सब अहंकार है. दिस विल नॉट लास्ट. इट्स और 1 or 2 days of drama in this world. हम तो जाने वाले हैं इस दुनिया से, है ना? And any one of them is entanglement. Therefore, na dhanam, na janam. Somebody comes detached. I just repeated what Prabhupada said. I have no realizations. I am not even a devotee. If it helps you, it's very nice for you. Good for you. Na dhanam, na sundari. The third contamination. Correct? एक सुंदर लड़की होनी चाहिए, and for a girl, सुंदर लड़का होना चाहिए. प्रभु जी, and that is another sense gratification. पीछे नहीं, या तो पैसा होना चाहिए, जेब में बहुत पैसा होगा, that is sense gratification. Correct? डिवोटी को पैसा थोड़ी चाहिए. कृष्ण का मंदिर में खुश है ना? वो सब तो छोड़ के आया, फिर से क्यों भर रहा है अपनी जेब, है ना? वो सब तो छोड़ दिया मैंने. ठीक है. जन्म, जैसे many of the people who hearing are at home, तो धना, पैसे को क्या देखना है? If it can be used for Krishna service, good. Otherwise, क्या बात को तो लेके नहीं जाऊंगा. and you have no control what the children will do after you with that money. उसी पैसे से पाप कर्म करेंगे और उसका रिएक्शन लोगे तुम नरक जाओगे. करेक्ट नहीं? If I give money to somebody, मैं किसी को पैसे देता हूँ और उससे पाप कर्म करता है, तो आप भी नरक जाते हो नहीं जाते? जाते हैं ना? इसलिए भगवत गीता says charities of three kind. लेकिन सब लोग पैसा बचा बचा के बच्चों को देते हैं, है ना? जाओ और बच्चे आजकल जनरली तो फॉलो करते हैं नहीं कुछ, तो जाओ उनके साथ, नरक खींच के ले जाएंगे. अरे मम्मी आओ, आप भी आओ इधर. किधर हो आप? आप ही तो दे गए थे पैसा, चलो आप भी आओ मेरे साथ. इससे अच्छा कुछ मंदिर बना दो, जहाँ भी हो कुछ कर दो, चैरिटी दे दो, कुछ शुभ काम कर दो. Just like that was prostitute. Haridas Thakur met the prostitute and she became devotee, we know that. So she said, I also want to chant like you, 164, 192 rounds every day. So Haridas Thakur said, ये जो पाप की जो कमाई है ना, उसको पहले दान दे क्या, उसके बाद आओ. And she did that. She went to, so many, generally Brahmanas are very poor, है ना? Saints are very poor. कहीं मंदिर में दान दिया, कहीं संतों को दान दिया, दक्षिणा दे के she felt so purified. She did that first, correct? So therefore, don't keep money for children. That is, if the children are not devotees, devotee means so-called devotee nahi, Shuddha Bhakta. So-called devotees, everybody is so-called devotee in India. If the children are not pure devotees, who are not interested to serve Krishna as the goal of their life, if they are contaminated, just like Prabhupada says, all my disciples are pure devotees. Because what? At heart they may have so many desires, but their whole energy is invested to please Krishna. Correct? Heart may be not pure, but that is called, you are a disciple. Otherwise you are not disciple. You are maintaining so many unwanted dhana, jana, sundari. What kind of disciple you are? You are making a show, that's all. अपने लिए बोल रहा हूँ. न धनम. So if you leave the money, dhana, for your so-called, just like Prabhupada says, so many people come to Vrindavan and they bring the beads. Mala leke aaya. So Krishna said, where is the money? वो किधर छोड़ गया तू? माला ही लेके आया, है ना? So Krishna doesn't see what you give. Krishna ये नहीं देखते आप कितना दे रहे हो. Krishna says, how much is remaining in your pocket? There were Kolavechara Sridhara. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu personally used to meet him and used to have a lot of fun with him. Used to joke with him, play with him. Actually, like a very innocent child used to play with him. Lot of you can read about Chaitanya Mahaprabhu dealing with Kolavechara Sridhara. But if you see deeply, what was the reason? He was hardly earning anything. Out of that 50% he used to give for Lord Chaitanya mission. Correct? So that is the highest. Actually, many times what happens, many people, grahasthas come to us, Prabhuji, I have an opinion. And honestly, truthfully, I don't listen. Why? Because they are not following. 50% what they earn, they should give first for propagation of Krishna consciousness. 50%. Then they are on a platform of a brahmachari who has given everything to Krishna. Brahmachari means everything, 100%. Whatever he gets, he gives to Krishna. Correct? अभी कोई 2 करोड़ भी दे दे दक्षिणा, हम पूरा राधा गोविंद को देके शांत हो जाते हैं, हमको कुछ नहीं चाहिए. That is standard of brahmacharya. Therefore, he is respected. The grahastha can also get the same level of respect if 50% what he earns he gives to Krishna. He is not asking 100, 50%. 25% you have to keep for emergency, 25% for your maintenance. That is recommended. कितना है? 50% for Krishna, 25% for emergency. कुछ emergency होगी भाई कहाँ जाओगे, है ना? And 25% for expenditure. That is ideal. Then that grahastha is on the platform of na dhanam. Otherwise he is, what is it? He is involved in fruitive activities. Your work is not purified. Your work is not purified. It is still contaminated. And how with the contaminated heart you will stand in front of Prabhupada? No, Prabhupada, dandavat kar doge. What is the meaning of the dandavat? You are still holding. Your hand is not become free. Like Krishna hand is free. He is not holding. We are holding. पकड़ के बैठे. अरे बाबा, बोलने को आसान होता है, उसी का है, उसी many times I tell people, thank you very much for donation. हाँ प्रभु जी उन्हीं का था, उनको दे दिए. तो छोड़ो ना हाथ को, पकड़े क्यों हो? अपने लिए बोल रहा हूँ. ना धनम, ना जन्म, ऑल ऑफ अस। अभी पता चला एक आदमी मेरा क्लास सुना था, कल किसी और के पास गया, है उधर कैसे चला गया? अरे बाबा, तुम्हारा प्रॉपर्टी है क्या? घर का प्रॉपर्टी है ना? ही इज अच्छा ना फ्री। देयरफॉर ऑनलाइन इज वेरी नाइस बिकॉज पीपल कैन हियर एनीबॉडी। फिजिकल में क्या होता है? ओनरशिप होता है। मेरे को सुन रहा था, उधर चला गया, अब उधर ही जाए, इधर नहीं आ। ऐसे भी लोग हैं, मैंने देखे। He had one kind of teacher like that. ऐसा निकाला उसको इधर से, निकल इधर से। इधर दूसरे टीचर को सुनने लगा, उधर जाता ना, इधर नहीं आने का। नहीं को तू निकल पा इधर से। You are contaminating the whole platform, है ना? भक्त लोग को जिसके पास सुनने का, खुशी रहने का, ओनरशिप क्यों आपका? तुम्हारा क्या घर का प्रॉपर्टी है क्या वो? है ना? Out of voluntary comes to you, good, but don't force. How you can force? How you can force? Na dhanam, na janam. Then sundari. करेक्ट नहीं, एटलीस्ट हम चलते हैं पीछे 5 सुंदर लड़की चलने का, है ना? प्रभु जी, दैट इज अनदर अनर्थ। वी शुड बी फ्री फ्रॉम दैट। ना धनम ना जनम। सी व्हाई चैतन्य महाप्रभु सेइंग प्लीज मेडिटेट ऑन इट, बिकॉज ऑल द 3 आर सेंस एंजॉयमेंट। ऑल द 3 as such they are not sense enjoyment, dhana jana sundari, but it can become sense enjoyment, correct? Just like in it is said, jnana karma anavritam anukulyena bhakti uttamam. Shuddha bhakti means free from jnana karma. What kind of jnana karma? So what kind of dhanam janam sundarim we are saying? Dhana which is not engaged in Krishna's service is a contamination, will only give you ahankara, correct? Only take you to hell also, because that money will not be used. Tomorrow you leave. आजकल क्या ट्रेडिशन है, सारा पैसा बच्चों को दे दो, बीवी को दे दो, फिर एक माला लेके मंदिर जाओ। वो बच्चा बीवी जो कर रहे हैं ना, एंड इफ दे आर नॉट प्योर डिवोटीज, बिकॉज प्योर डिवोटी तो वो आपके साथ आ जाते, आ ही नहीं ना आपके साथ, आप अकेले गए तो वो तो आपको वो तो वो होता है ना। देयरफॉर भागवतम से द फैमिली मेंबर्स आर दस्यु। दस्यु मीन्स लूटर्स, बिकॉज द मनी विच कैन बी यूज फॉर कृष्णा सर्विस दे टेक इट अवे, है ना? एंड देन जन्म, जन्म मीन्स followers, where you will have humility if you have the pride of having followers. Where is the humility? I repeated what Prabhupada says, and they are all Prabhupada's servants. By the mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, mercy of Prabhupada, they have become devotees. Just like Prabhupada says in Bhagavad Gita. In the Bhagavad Gita, I have 5 factors of action. There is a chapter, and it says the person who is the idiot thinks he is the only doer. In the next shloka, 5 factors, but he thinks about only himself as the doer. He forgets all of the factors. So dhanam, he doesn't know. Prabhupada said, by the mercy of Lord Chaitanya, I see so many people are becoming devotees of Krishna. See, why somebody becomes a devotee? Not by logic only, not by argument. When he experiences a drop of pleasure of service to Krishna, that day he becomes a devotee. Correct? Anna? Krishna Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, one drop touches the heart, he becomes a devotee. He forgets all his logic, he forgets all his arguments, he forgets everything, he becomes a bhakta. True or not? So now, and moment he makes an offense to anything, so many offenses are there, that drop vaporizes. Then he becomes a first class karmi. You have seen that so many people, they were devotees, they lost everything. But it is not fully taken away. Some trace is kept. Because then, moment he clears that offense, he can back as a devotee. He comes back as a devotee. It is covered up. It is not totally taken away. So na dhanam, na janam, na sundari, all the 3 actually, if you have a desire, even as a devotee, will start making offenses. आप कहीं पे जाओगे, देखो कि किसी ने आपसे भी बड़ा मंदिर बनाया, you'll become envious, है ना? Because you are thinking it's your property, not my property. मैं तो अभी कल चला जाएगा. This is not my property. It belongs to. बोलना आसान है, फीलिंग करना है. धनम, जन्म. अब आपको 5 लोग आपको सुनते हैं, उसको 5 लाख लोग सुनते हैं. envious. You know? Srila Prabhupada, God Buddha, chanted 64 rounds, became envious of them, some of them. So you will not be able to appreciate. You will find fault. Like Srila Prabhupada agreed to accept the title Prabhupada. Now this Prabhupada title was previously given to his guru itself, Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada, and was given by Rupa Goswami also, Rupa Goswami Prabhupada. Correct? We know few people. To these days, Godfathers don't accept that. We have the centennial celebration of Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada, 150 years ago. At one point they kept fighting in this country. How you can have Prabhupada title? There is only one Prabhupada. There is not one. In the history, many people have Prabhupada title. And can't you see the work? Dikhta nahi kya? Pashyanaphi na pashyati. He is the founder Acharya not only of ISKCON, he is the Acharya of the golden age. Pashyanaphi na pashyati. Dikke bhi nahi dikhta. Why? Because they are envious. When you are envious, you cannot appreciate. Dhanam, janam. Arey Baba, he is speaking, people are listening him, they are benefiting him, they are joyful and happy. Tumko kya problem hai? World is very big, you also preach. Dunya bahut badi hai. Somebody asked Srila Prabhupada, Prabhupada, I want to be Jagat Guru. Why? You want followers. So, see, basically you should be able to do work, no? You want to be Jagat Guru, but what is the work? Can you help your disciples to come to Krishna consciousness? No. Then, khali kya? So Prabhupada said, yes, you want to be Jagat Guru, but there is a shloka in Nectar of Instruction. Vacha vegam, manasa krodha vegam, jiva vegam udarapastha vegam, etan vegana vishaheta dhira, sarvanapi mam prita. Who knows the shloka? Anybody?
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी। वाचो वेगम मनसा क्रोध वेगम जिह्वा वेगम उदरपस्थ वेगम एतान वेगान यो विषहेत धीरा सय पृथ्वी सृष्टात्।
Very good, very good. You can Pratyum Sishya. So Prabhupada said he has to control your this thing, and he said at least control your sixth desire, the last one most difficult. Then you can become Jagat. So we should be honest, spiritual life, become truthful, okay? Come out of these tendencies, you know. We discussed the 6 kind of dharmas, you can analyze them. There also can become sense gratification. Dhanam, Janam, Sundarim, very nice, very clean. That can also become sense gratification, come out of all that. And another hypocrisy, Didi. Nowadays it has become a fashion. Mera Didi hai, mera Behan hai ye. Prabhupada says, Vedic culture, only mother, no sister. Like North India mein hai na, Behan ji. Matlab chup, Mata ji bol. Why? वो बहन जी से अरे माता जी से ही बदल जाता है. I have seen so many brahmacharis and later get entangled with a girl, and they tell me, because when you see a girl, you always say Mataji, Mataji, Mataji. कुछ टाइम बाद वो माताजी निकल जाता है, हैं? और उसके बाद वो कुछ और बन जाता है ना? मैंने देखा है. सच है नहीं? अरे जो फंस जाते हैं ऐसे ही तो होता है. हमें पहले तो माताजी से ही शुरू किया था ना, बड़े नम्र भाव से. वो माताजी होना बंद हो जाता है और फिर रिश्ता बन जाता है. ये क्या मतलब? ये क्या हो रहा है? Always no Bahanji, no Didi, only Mataji. Because the purest relation in the material world is of mother. When you see, look at the mother, only there is affection and gratitude. It's pure. In the material world, there is nothing purer than that. Use it for Krishna's service. Therefore, it is said, Prabhupada said, Bachpan se there was a training. When the child is born, Gurukul, he goes to different houses and he says, Mother, give me some dakshina, Bhiksham Dehi, mother. He get trained to see. Prabhupada says his own child, first time he शुरू में movies India में कौन सी थी? नरसिम्हा movie, Rama movie. पहले तो बहुत सारी जब movie cinema शुरू हुआ India में, in only religious movies. So Prabhupada took his child to see one movie, Narasimha movie, something like that. Those days, not like today what we had, Narasimha movie, some those days something wasn't. So the child went and is saying to father, So many mothers are here. Mother. क्या देखेगा movie? You cannot. He's seeing in another way. Mother. है ना? So that is the way. Prabhupada say the Yamana, the mlechas, they don't say mother. They say Didi or Behenji. And then it's not pure. There is desire, which they don't honestly admit. So mother is the one which should be used strictly. ठीक है? नॉर्थ इंडिया में लोगों को बोलो वो बंद करो बहन जी इधर आइए उधर नहीं, माता जी बोल चुप, माता जी इधर आइए उधर नहीं. और I remember I used to go to college. So when I went to college, so I said माता जी आप भी बोलिए. So they felt ashamed. मतलब उनको शर्म आ रही थी, as if they are looking old, है ना? So I had to stop it. So I only was speaking mentally. I was not speaking outside. So anyway, but this is the reality. Okay? So sense gratification is so powerful, it will contaminate all our spiritual life. Apurya mana achala pratishtaha. Who knows the shloka? Anybody knows the shloka? Apurya mana achala pratishtaha. Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 2nd last shloka.
Yes, sir. आपूर्यमाणं अचलं प्रतिष्ठं समुद्रमापं प्रविशन्ति यद्वत् तद्वत् यत् कामं प्रविशन्ति यद्वत् सशान्तिमाप्नोति न कामकामी.
Very good. Nakamakami, the person who is satisfying his desires, he will never achieve peace. Correct? The symptom of a Sthitaprajna is that so many desires enter the heart, but he is not disturbed. So this is we have to achieve as a devotee. Okay, Hare Krishna everybody, Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Adama Pranam.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी
हरे
धन्यवाद.
कृष्ण प्रभु जी कोटि प्रणाम
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी प्रणाम प्रभु जी.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी सादर प्रणाम प्रभु
Hare
जी.
Krishna,
हरे
Hare
कृष्ण
सादर
हरे
प्रणाम.
कृष्ण कृष्ण
Hare
कृष्ण
Rama,
हरे
Hare
हरे
Rama,
राम
Rama
हरे राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे